So bear with us, please. So I'm Chef T. This is Chef Rita. Rita. Yeah. Rita. Yeah. So be patient with us. And Chef Reed. So bear with us, please. There you go. All for you.
All for the Lord. Listen closely. Two things that we want to show you. Music planners, every fourth Sunday, we do life together at Pacific Island Fellowship. But then, okay, again, I can find it all at Pacific Island Fellowship. It's what we practice. You find me at the Pacific Island Fellowship. Tell your kids. I will. Tell somebody. 7. Don't forget. Let's rock this party. May 27th. At 1:15. Don't forget. Let's rock this party. Peace. Thank you. So we're going to teach you a few Samoan words. Can you raise your hand if you're not Samoan? Oh, great. Non-Samoan. So when I say mili, it's a Samoan word, you rub your hands like this. Mili, practice mili. All right. Tasi means one. That means one party. Lua means two party, right? And 3 means a tolu. 3 total. Okay. Got it? 1, 2, 3. All right. And the end of the 3, you're gonna say, "Go Jesus," all right? Can we practice? Yes. All right. Mili, 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 mili. Mili, mili, mili. Tasi party. Mili, 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 mili. Lua party. Mili, 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 mili. Tolu party. Go Jesus. Can we do it again? Can we do it again? All right. Mili, 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 mili. Tasi party. Mili, 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 mili. Lua party. Mili, 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 mili. Tolu party. Shake your shoulder, get it loose. Now raise your right hand up. Wave like you just don't care. All right, so when I say, when is the next one? You're going to say May 27th, right? Yeah. All right, Ray. When? May 27th. When is the next one? May 27th. One more time. May 27th. There. Okay? And don't forget. Thank you.
Thank you, Food Committee.